Dr. S Kids Music. There, there, there. There, there, there. There, there, there. There, there, there. There are 3 different kinds of theirs. I know it looks hard, but don't be scared. I'll go over each one carefully, then you can use each one easily. The first one is T-H-E-R-E, as in, I see my best friend over there. You could also say, there is a park straight ahead. There means a place where something is. It's also the opposite of here, there. The next one is T-H-E-I-R, as in, the class loved their teacher. You could also say their parents were angry. There means possession. Like whose teacher? Their teacher. Like whose parents? Their parents. The last one is T-H-E-Y''R''E, as in, they're going to the movies. You could also say they're going to be in trouble. There is a contraction which puts together they and are and combines them into there. There, there, there. There, there, there. There, there, there. There, there, there. Learn your ABCs from a teacher with a PhD. Dr. S Kids Music.